Hello, everybody. My name is Andrew McCracken, and I'm a second semester student in the Sustainability Management program. I'm originally from Virginia, but I live in New York City now, a couple blocks away from campus. I recently graduated this past May from the University of Lynchburg down in rural Virginia with a degree in environmental science and international relations. I would say I'm pretty much a generalist, so I'm looking ideally to go into consulting or public sector work, maybe for a municipality. So I'm really interested in what this class can teach me as far as urban planning and nature and the human world coalescing. I love being outside, even though I haven't been able to do as much of that here in the city. But that being said, I do like going for walks in the parks around campus and playing board games and watching movies. Let's see. So as far as the concept map goes, here we are. So I decided to divide it up into biotic and abiotic, which is by far not the most ideal way to do it, but it works. So on the abiotic side, I further divided it up into anthropocentric and non-anthropocentric, with rivers and lakes kind of overlapping there. As those are kind of central to why cities exist in certain places, and also we kind of shape them to our liking sometimes. Weather, rain, snow, and sunlight over here on the non-anthropocentric side, as well as soil, which also contains living things, so I linked it over here to biotic side. Up here in the anthropocentric, abiotic, we have transit, which includes ports, subways, bridges, and roads, and then just plainly buildings, all different types of those. On the other side, we have biotic, divided that up into animals and plants. In plants, we have gardens, grass, shrubs, trees, and parks. By far not fully comprehensive. And then on the animal side, we have humans, pets, squirrels, rodents, birds, and bugs. Another reason why this isn't the best way to do it is because it kind of prevents things from being linked or overlapped, because living things can't be non-living things, but this is how I chose to do it. And yeah. All right. Thank you very much.